All right, and welcome back to your Inside Baseball Play of the Day. I'm Alex Bolden, and in this week's Market Shenanigans, Jerome Powell confirms the Biden administration has been gaslighting the American people, Coinbase takes a nosedive, and I'm still bullish on lending companies. By now, you've probably heard some snippets of Fed Chair Jerome Powell's testimony before the Senate Banking Committee. Good luck slogging through the whole thing, but one conversation stood out to me. It was about the cause of inflation. Now, for some context, we've heard over and over again from the Biden administration about the Putin price hike, and that gas prices and inflation are high as a consequence of the war in Ukraine. But when Tennessee Senator Bill Hagerty pressed Powell on the issue and asked if the war was the primary driver of inflation, Powell said this: "No, inflation was high, certainly before the war in Ukraine broke out." It's classic political deflection. Blame someone like Putin or something like the pandemic for your own mistakes. But honestly, what else do you expect? Anyway, enough of that garbage. Let's talk about stonks. Coinbase took a nosedive this week, falling about 17% on news that Binance, a rival crypto exchange, eliminated spot Bitcoin trading fees. Basically, whenever you buy crypto on Coinbase, the company takes a cut. In fact, 90% of its revenue comes from transaction fees. That's not a good business model. I called shenanigans on this last summer, and I'll link to that article below where I laid out my case against the company. Now, I said that Coinbase would go out of business faster than you can say Bitcoin, and that a short position wouldn't be the worst idea. Last June, it was trading around $229, and it's dropped 75% since then. I actually bought puts on the company this week and cleaned up a bit. I'll show you the options chain right here. Okay, so now for your play of the day. Last week, I talked about how lending companies would thrive in this environment. I still like that strategy. So take a look at SoFi and even Robinhood, as it's creating its own little banking and lending ecosystem. It's pretty cool. And if you haven't figured it out by now, I run a trading service that covers legal insider trading. My pick for this week, another lending company, is in the green, a rare sight in this market. So if you want the inside scoop, check out the link below. All right, play me out, boys.